What is good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. This is Peepod Cove. I appreciate y'all coming through. If it's your first time here, like and subscribe to the channel. I love having you here, and I hope I make your experience a wonderful time. So yesterday we had Kendrick and SZA hitting Pennsylvania, Hershey, Pennsylvania, and of course it was another sellout. Do you expect anything different? It was a little rain going on, it seemed like there, but doesn't matter. It seemed like the rain brings out a little more effort from them. They're like waterbenders, and that's what I think Kendrick is, the waterbender. SZA, she's the earthbender because she liked the bugs and all this stuff. So if you went to the show, let me know down in the comments what that experience was like. And everybody else, if you hasn't been to the show, I'm going to bring y'all some mashups and clips from this show, and hopefully I can keep you entertained long enough to watch this video to the end. I appreciate everybody that's been liking, subscribing, and leaving the comments. I've been responding to everyone's comments as much as I can, and I appreciate y'all. I didn't make it. You bumped the car to 3 out. Oh my lordy, Frankie child. Little Wayne down. Snoop Poster Taylor made it. Let it go. Me that you done make it.
Niggas will lose their mind for it, wine for it, dying for it. Spend time for it, get a piece of mind for it. Double back handicap and go blind for it. Pussy got in the prison, the pussy's always offensive. The pussy is agitated, the pussy is rather. Hey, let's amen to, I mean the bus face to the Facebook to the school face. When they look, won't get you know. I mean the fake names and the code names, what insecure don't reassure you.
It's early, but let's get this energy check in Hershey Park, Pennsylvania. This is where our last stop in this GNX Tour has been, and we're going to do a quick energy check. Mr. Get off of my feet. I mean, the cameraman was definitely feeling his energy. He was doing his thing. It looked like the crowd was bumping. They don't seem, well, I'm gonna let y'all decide how loud they are. I got a community post coming trying to figure out what cities I should put in there. It's like maybe 5 to 7 different cities that should be up for the loudest city so far, so everybody could vote on that. Kendrick's really diabolical for real, bro, because and ladies too, man. I got a lot of lady follows out there, and I appreciate all of y'all. But he has been singing, you know, I didn't even really think about this till like the other day. 3 diss tracks on this tour. 3 different diss tracks, you know, including like that. I was getting neutralized like the only man in silence.
Famous rapper we once knew was looking paranoid and now moving just like a degenerate. Every antic is feeling distasteful. Calculation at his calculated. I can't even forget the angle. Fabricating stories on the family. People heard Mr. Morale. With that, master manipulator. I can smell the tails on you now. Not a rap artist, you a scam artist with the hopes of being respected. I mean, your figure stood out, but Boo never had being collection. I make music that electrify. You make music that pacify. Double down on that line, but spare this time. It's random acts of kindness. Know you a master manipulator and a habitual liar too.
Don't tell
no
no
lie
lies
about me,
and I won't tell truth about you.
Woo! Shoo! 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 Beep, 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 beep. Ain't got no reaper. I'm done reaping what I sow. Okay, got a Benjamin in my Jackson house like I'm Joe. Okay, Hellcat. Make them think they solo. Okay, everybody will be demon till they get chipped by the throw away or show a day. Always a lame. Money and power fame to make you go away. Have you ever played? Have you ever played? Hey, let's play. Have you? Case. Digital hugs. The shit that done dimensionals running this family don't ain't shaky. I park your son. No, I'm cutting with Drake. And this way. Those mistakes.
I need y'all to make some noise for SZA right now. Y'all feeling good? I think we got some energy in the room. I think we got some love in the room right now.
I feel it. That word.
SZA, we got some love in the building.
I really love some. I feel a lot of love.
Come on.
Give me a run for my money.
What we doing? Louder.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Keep it a whole don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. Don't bullshit. Don't bullshit. Like I'm busting. I'm gonna find you. I'm gonna hit that shoulder, lady. I know you're coming home for me. Extra overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, I'm finna go in. I'm finna go out. Just put it on top. This party don't end.
Damn, 72 hours. You can see, man, this concert, this tour is amazing. If you're on the ropes about going to this tour, going to this concert, you get an opportunity, do not hesitate. You're going to be missing out and kicking yourself in the butt if you refuse. Coming that bitch. Coming that bitch. The energy for this song is always like out of the world, out of this world.
Mr. Duckworth, where were you on December 2024?
I don't keep up with dates. I got a million things going on. I don't know.
Nope.
Saturday, May 4th.
I don't keep up with dates.
2024.
Nope.
Duh. Bro, I don't keep up with dates, man. I don't know, man. I'm in the air.
Okay, does this ring a bell? Drop. 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 Drop.
Of course, this one has music to it, but fans getting ready for the game, checking out the outfits.
Hey, Roman numeral 7.
And looks like I love the colors. Love the colors. Love the graphic work. Graphic work is nice. Looks like you had a great time at the show. Great time. Great time.
Hey, Roman numeral 7.
I love the colors. I love the bright spring colors in there. Actually, those are fall color leaves, but they brighten them up a little bit. But amazing. I like that. Cool. Oh, yeah. She's getting ready for the show. She's getting ready for the show.
The next pop.
At the show.
The funk shall be within you.
You can tell she went by herself, too. She's a solo concert goer. I was. That's the only thing. I didn't have nobody take pictures of me. But you know what? I was happy. I enjoyed it. Let me know if you went to the show by yourself. You went to the show by yourself, leave me a 1 down in the comment. People are going out to these shows from everywhere. They're traveling to go to these shows. This has become an iconic, historical concert right here. And now he's getting ready to go to Europe after, I think we have one more show in the U.S. and then off to Europe. And I'm going to keep covering it. So y'all make sure y'all come back. I'm going to keep having y'all mashups for y'all all the way till this tour ends. All the way to this tour. And I believe there will be more dates added. They just added the New Zealand. And New Zealand is pretty much out there next to Australia. So it only makes sense to add them as well.
And that's the way I like it.
You know, I never understood why they'll go to a concert and add music to it when we can hear the original music. But either way, I love the graphics you gave us. And I appreciate it.
Let's go.
Let's get it, bro.
You know, rain shows are our favorite shows, right?
I know. Come on.
Rainy shows are our famous shows. Something like that. But I said that earlier. All the shows where they had to perform in the rain, from I think Charlotte to Seattle, where it was really, really raining, the performance went up about 2-3 notches for those shows. It was amazing. It went up.
Hershey. Right about now. Put your lights up.
That's love. Give me the night. All the stars are shine. All the stars are closer. Give me the night. All the stars. This is a beautiful shot right here. Everybody's having a good time. It seemed like everybody had a great time. You know, man, these visuals are amazing. These visuals are amazing. I love this way the stadium's designed. You know, all these stadiums have had different designs, and you can see the beauty in some of them. Like this show right here, you can see the way the fans look at that. That's amazing right there. That's amazing. It's crazy to say that a lot of people say that Kendrick doesn't have any hits. And you go to this show, all you're gonna hear is hits, and it keeps going and going and going and going. And there's a lot of hits he didn't sing. And SZA got some hits too, more than you may think.
Is this one of mine? If this girl is mine, I take it, treat the nigga over five. If this girl is mine, I take it, treat the nigga from the God. Introduce them to the life, hit the street, you with the vibe.
Sometimes you just gotta pop out and show them. Since it just popped up like, hey girl, how you doing? She is riding that bug, boy. That's a lucky bug.
That's right. There is nobody, no one else. Say.
This still got to be my favorite dance right here. This is such an amazing part of the show. I'm kind of muting this part a little bit. For some reason, you get hit with a copyright on that SZA right there.
Let me hear you say,
Buster!
Drop, 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 drop.
Wow. They Not Like Us. Another one. Another city down, Hershey down. And it seemed like the energy was good up in there. Let me know how you feel down in the comments about this concert, this show in Hershey. I'm probably going to do a live stream with fan reaction instead of doing the video. And I'm going to probably do that in the next day or two. But y'all need to let me know down in the comments, how do you feel about Hershey, Pennsylvania's performance by Kendrick and SZA? Like it rained a little, but they turned up even more. Yeah, on your way out, make sure I hit the like button. I appreciate it. Be nice to your neighbors. You know, try to do one good deed a day. You know, whatever it is, try to do something good. Always stay positive, and positive things will come back to you. So, Peepod Cove, I'm going to see y'all on the next one. Be good, y'all.